Welcome to Next World. More than 3 decades have passed since the end of the Cold War, but its mark is still strong on the modern battlefield. Legendary tanks such as the US M1 Abrams, Russia's T-80, or Germany's Leopard 2 are still considered heavy steel game systems. However, in the era of heavy bomb technology, these heavy fighting machines are facing the risk of being replaced by machines. Can we continue to exert our strength in the future, or will we give way to a completely new generation of tanks? Faster, lighter, and smarter. Notably, the name Elon Musk, who once revolutionized the aerospace and electric vehicle industries, is now creating a world of speed when entering the military field. The Super Tech Tank project he initiated is expected to change the entire local war, opening a new program of violence. What makes this idea so special? And can Musk succeed as he did with Tesla and SpaceX? Let's explore this fascinating story right after. In the context of the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the trend of increasing defense budgets globally, especially in Europe, Musk quickly realized the great potential of the defense industry, specifically tanks and modern weapons. The world is in need of a revolution in tank design, as traditional tanks are increasingly showing their weaknesses against new weapons, from UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, to modern anti-tank missiles. Notably, Elon Musk has joined hands with Rheinmetall, a leading German defense company famous for its advanced military technologies such as the KF-41 Lynx combat vehicle and Skyynx defense systems. This combination is a strategic move, leveraging Rheinmetall's technological capabilities and Musk's innovation to create a new generation of tanks that can change the battlefield. Musk's choice of Germany as a partner is no coincidence, as the country is currently increasing its defense spending for the first time since World War II and is a center of military technology in Europe, providing Starlink to Ukraine connectivity in crisis. From the very first days of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the country was severely disconnected. Russian cyber attacks on Ukraine's information infrastructure nearly paralyzed the traditional communication system. In that context, Elon Musk and his SpaceX company quickly deployed the Starlink satellite system to support Ukraine. This was a strategic move, providing stable satellite internet access to Ukraine while the information infrastructure was destroyed. The Starlink system operates by using low-orbit satellites to transmit internet signals to terminals on the ground. Despite facing cyber attacks from Russia, Starlink has remained operational thanks to its advanced technology and high self-protection capabilities. This helps maintain vital connectivity not only for civilians, but also for government agencies and key infrastructure such as power plants, industry, and emergency services. Military support through satellite connectivity. Starlink does more than just keep civilians connected. It also plays a vital role in Ukraine's military operations. The Ukrainian military has used the system to control combat equipment such as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, also known as kamikaze drones. These UAVs carry out reconnaissance missions, attack targets precisely, and create tactical advantages on the battlefield. In addition, through Starlink, Ukraine can maintain communication between military units in difficult situations. Military command and control systems, especially when using U.S. reconnaissance UAVs, remain stable. Maintaining this connection helps the Ukrainian military coordinate closely, organize more accurate and effective counterattacks, flexibility and defensiveness against Russia. Another notable point is that Starlink has shown its ability to adapt and defend against attacks. According to reports, more than 2,000 Starlink satellites have been deployed in orbit to ensure the system's continuous operation. Elon Musk once confidently stated that if Russia were to destroy any Starlink satellites, SpaceX would be fully capable of launching replacement satellites faster than Russia could shoot them down. This shows the flexibility and sustainability of the Starlink network, creating a huge advantage for Ukraine in the war. Elon Musk's deployment of Starlink not only brings practical benefits in conflict, but also marks a turning point in modern warfare. For the first time, a private satellite internet system has played a core role in a war, overcoming the limitations of traditional military communication systems. This proves that innovative technology from the private sector can change the battlefield, providing solutions faster and more effectively than legacy government technology systems. The experience of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine has made clear that heavy tanks with thick armor, although able to withstand conventional artillery shells, are still not effective against modern weapons, such as anti-tank guided missiles and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Heavy tanks with armor up to 600 to 700 millimeters thick can still be destroyed by high-tech weapons. Increasing armor is no longer effective enough to justify the weight and cost. Elon Musk and modern tank developers realize that mobility and flexibility are vital factors in modern warfare. By reducing the weight of tanks, speed and mobility will increase significantly, allowing military units to make rapid advances on the battlefield. Light tanks will easily maneuver through difficult terrain, avoid military traffic jams, and reduce the possibility of ambushes. In addition, the reduction in weight also means that active protection systems can be installed more easily, without reducing the overall performance of the vehicle. Electronic and mechanical systems will operate more effectively when carrying less weight. In this context, Elon Musk's development of a lightweight tank not only reflects progressive thinking, but also represents a solution to the problem of the modern battlefield, where speed and adaptability can determine victory. The development of active protection systems, APS, has marked an important step forward in protecting tanks from modern threats. Instead of relying solely on thick armor to absorb artillery shells and missiles, APS technology focuses on detecting, warning, and destroying threats from a distance. The APS system uses ultraviolet sensors and radar to detect missiles and artillery shells heading toward the tank. When a threat is detected, the system alerts the crew and deploys an aerosol shield, a fine cloud of smoke that obscures the infrared and optical signals that the missile uses for guidance. This helps to fool the missile, disorienting it and reducing its ability to strike accurately. In addition, the system includes an electro-optical jammers, usually mounted on the tank's turret. This emitter is capable of jamming the control signals of enemy missiles, causing the missile to lose its ability to guide and fall off the target. With a reaction time of only about 13 seconds, the APS has proven to be extremely effective against modern missiles and artillery shells. The combination of the APS and a lightweight tank design will provide comprehensive defense capabilities, both avoiding direct attacks and increasing maneuverability to avoid fire. Elon Musk, with his high-tech background, can completely push the active protection system to a new level, turning his tank into a mobile fortress that is difficult to destroy. In the context of UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, and cruise missiles becoming a major threat to tanks and other military vehicles, the integration of air defense systems has become a top priority. Rheinmetall's Skink system is a typical example of effective defense against airborne threats. The Skink system is built with an open architecture, allowing it to be installed on a variety of vehicles, including light tanks. The heart of the system is the Oerlikon Sky Matter, an extremely advanced air defense command and control unit. The system integrates an X-band radar to scan the space, track, lock on targets, and automatically classify threats. All information is transmitted in 3D to the control center, where a single click can destroy the target. When combined with weapons such as the 35mm Mk3 gun or the Chitral rocket launcher, Skinks is capable of dealing with a wide range of targets from UAVs, missiles, to mortars, safely protecting both tank formations and other military vehicles. The system's strengths are its high level of automation and rapid response, ensuring that the tank is always ready to defend. For Elon Musk, integrating an air defense system like Skyinks into an electric tank is a strategic move. The combination of active defense and air defense capabilities will turn his tank into an invulnerable fighting machine that can both defend and flexibly attack threats from the air. Elon Musk is aiming for a completely new solution for tanks: electric tanks. Compared to traditional tanks using diesel engines or gas turbines, electric tanks offer outstanding advantages in many aspects. First of all, electric motors have very low noise levels, allowing tanks to approach targets more secretly, increasing the ability to carry out surprise attacks. This is very important in the context of modern warfare, where stealth and surprise play a decisive role. In addition, the large torque and fast response speed of electric motors allow electric tanks to accelerate much more smoothly and flexibly than heavy internal combustion engines. This helps electric tanks quickly change position, evade attacks, or carry out high-speed raids. At the same time, The design of electric tanks is also simpler by eliminating drive shafts and other complex mechanical parts, which are cumbersome, prone to damage, and costly to maintain. In addition, the electric battery system on the tank can also become an auxiliary power source to supply electricity to other military equipment, such as radars, remote-controlled weapon systems, or electronic sensors on the battlefield. This not only optimizes energy, but also helps reduce support vehicles, bringing great advantages in logistics and strategy. Elon Musk is opening up a new future with the ability to integrate laser weapons into electric tanks. This combination is considered a breakthrough because laser weapons have many advantages over traditional weapons. Firstly, lasers do not require heavy ammunition, such as cannons or missiles, helping to significantly reduce weight and optimize space in the tank. With a powerful electric power source from an advanced battery system, tanks can operate laser weapons continuously at extremely low cost compared to using conventional artillery shells. Second, laser weapons have a near-instantaneous firing rate, reaching the speed of light, ensuring near-perfect target accuracy. This is especially useful for dealing with threats from unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, short-range missiles, or mortars on the battlefield. As UAVs increasingly become the main weapon in modern conflicts, a tank equipped with laser weapons will become an extremely effective defense and attack system. Finally, lasers also bring great tactical advantages when they can accurately hit targets without leaving heat or smoke traces, making them difficult to detect and counterattack. Elon Musk's vision of a laser tank is the perfect combination of a powerful electric motor, an advanced battery system, and high-tech laser weapons, turning electric tanks into weapons that dominate the battlefield of the future. Elon Musk is not only developing a purely electric tank, but also considering the combination of a hybrid engine, using both a diesel engine or a gas turbine combined with an electric battery system. This approach helps the tank achieve optimal operating performance on the battlefield. Specifically, the diesel engine or gas turbine will act as the main power source, maintaining stable operation for a long time. When the tank needs to accelerate quickly or perform tasks requiring high performance, the electric battery will intervene and compensate for instantaneous energy, significantly improving acceleration and flexibility. This also helps reduce the load on the main engine, extending the life of the engine because it does not have to operate in continuous overload modes. This is a great advantage, especially in long-term campaigns where the durability and stability of the equipment determines success. In addition, the hybrid power system also provides a surplus of electricity, which can be used to power high-tech weapons and sensors such as advanced radars, lasers, or electronic warfare equipment, which consume a lot of energy. The combination of electric motors and traditional motors not only increases performance and maneuverability, but also ensures combat flexibility in many different situations, especially on harsh battlefields. With the hybrid power system, Elon Musk not only creates a powerful tank, but also optimizes the ability to operate continuously, enhancing attack and defense power in all combat conditions. Elon Musk's electric tank project not only opens a new era for military technology, but also raises questions about the future of modern warfare. With the ability to combine electric technology, laser weapons, and advanced defense systems, this tank promises to completely change the battlefield. Will Elon Musk really overthrow the traditional tank industry? Is it a revolution or just a distant ambition? Share your views below to discuss.